Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to copy settings in League of Legends. In order to copy settings from one League of Legends account to another without manually doing it all over again, we can simply just copy the config file. In order to do that, we'll head to the search panel. From here we'll type League of Legends, then click on Open File Location. After that, right click on the League of Legends shortcut and click on Open File Location again. Then head back to Riot Games, go to the League of Legends folder, right click on Config, click on Copy and paste it in a convenient location. I'll paste it in the desktop. After that, just right click, delete this folder and you're done. Now you need to open a Riot client, click on Open. After the Riot client is open, basically just log out of the account. Now you'll need to log in with the new account that you want to transfer these settings to. So I'll just log into my account. So I have logged into my other account. Now all I need to do is cut the config file from here or copy. Then open up the folder again and paste it in here. So now as you can see, the config file is in its place. And now if I click on League of Legends and open the game, after clicking on the play button, all my previous settings will be copied to this new account and I can enjoy the game like previously.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.